Everyone, this is Meela Vijay Painse, and let's see what the third week of November, that is from the 15th to the 21st of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Virgo. Now, this week for the Virgo is going to be a week which is going to literally keep you on your toes 24/7. So this is going to be a week where you'll be particularly busy with a lot of different activities and activities which are not of an individual nature. So you would be doing a lot of things personal and professional wherein a lot of people are also involved with you. So let's say you would want to go in for some kind of a wedding shopping where again you're not only shopping for yourself but also shopping for your relatives, or let's say helping your relatives to shop. So it's a kind of a week where you will be busy with a lot of activities but not more on the individual self, but also including a lot of people in your personal and your professional life. So yes, this week is going to absolutely keep the Virgos right on his toes. So it's better that you pay a lot of attention to your time management. Moving on to your space of work. This week in the work department for the Virgos is going to be a very stressful week. There's going to be some kind of an assignment or work pressure which is going to really bog you down. So it is advised by the cards to see to it that you don't keep the pressure and the tension and the anxiety only to yourself. Rather, a very good solution is to discuss it with the most trusted people whom you consider yourself very close to you personally as well as professionally. Seek their opinion, seek their advice, and things will be much more better, clearer, and easy to handle. So in the workspace, see to it that particularly you don't bottle up and keep that anxiety and that pressure within yourself. Learn to share with people. There are actually people who will be really willing to help you and ease out your pressure. Moving on to the area of finances. For this particular week, see to it that you do not invest your finances or do not take up any major financial expenditures, particularly for the third week of November. This is because there are chances that the scheme in which you will invest will not turn out to be that much of a profitable one, or you might land up making a major purchase only to realize at the end of the week that it wasn't as great as it seemed when you were purchasing it. Moving on to the space of relationships. Now this is an area where the Virgos will have to do a lot of thinking for the third week of November 2020. You will have to actually ask yourself about why are you in a particular relationship, whether single, whether married, whether in a relationship or whether you are already married. You need to understand why is it that you want to be in a relationship. Sometimes we often see ourselves being in relationships just for the heck of it, just because it is a matter of habit, just because that's the way it is. But then, is your relationship actually having any substance? Does it have a real meaning to it, or is your relationship just a relationship out of habit? So that is something that you will have to deeply think about and come to a final decision about your relationship. The cards advise you to understand that relationships are a matter of substance and not convenience or habit. If you find that your relationship is just a relationship of convenience or habit, it is better to discuss and come to a final conclusion about it, rather continuing in a relationship just for the heck of it. Moving on to the area of health. Health for the third week of November 2020 for the Virgos is going to be absolutely fine. This is particularly a week in your lives where you will feel physically, mentally, emotionally very fit, especially on a physical level. Health will be in excellent shape, no problem at all. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy and a blessed week ahead.